Imagine physics as the ultimate rulebook for how everything in the universe moves and interacts. It starts with the world we can easily see and touch, often called classical physics. Think about riding a motorcycle down a street. Physics explains the friction of the tires gripping the road, the engine turning fuel into motion, and the wind pushing against you. A scientist named Isaac Newton figured out the basic laws for this everyday world, showing us that an object only moves or stops when a physical force pushes or pulls it. This branch covers everything from tossing a ball into the air to understanding how engines work and why the moon stays in orbit around the Earth. Dive a little deeper, and physics explains the invisible forces that make our reality function. This is the realm of electricity, magnetism, and heat. It explains how a smartphone battery stores energy, how the internet travels through invisible waves, and how heat moves from a hot stove to boil water. When we zoom in even closer, down to the tiny atoms that make up everything, the everyday rules suddenly stop working. This introduces quantum physics, a strange and fascinating microscopic world where particles can seemingly be in two places at once and act like both waves and tiny solid dots. It is this bizarre science that makes modern computers, lasers, and digital cameras possible. Finally, physics zooms way out to the grand scale of the cosmos, guided by Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein showed us that space and time are not just an empty box where things happen. They can actually stretch and bend like a trampoline when heavy things like stars and black holes sit on them. This invisible bending of space is what we experience as gravity. The ultimate, unsolved goal of physics today is to connect the tiny, unpredictable quantum world with the massive, bending universe of relativity into one single theory of everything. It is an ongoing detective story, trying to uncover the deepest secrets of reality from the very moment the universe was born.